Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make Android customization super easy and fun. Today, we're tackling something that's going to level up your device's look: changing icon colors on Android in 2025. With the latest updates, Android has rolled out even more intuitive tools for personalization, letting you match your icons to your style or theme. Whether you're bored with the default look or want to create a cohesive wallpaper setup, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the 2025 version. That's key for accessing the newest features. Open your Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Display or Home Screen, depending on your device. It might be under Personalization. Here, you'll see a new section called Icon Customization, which is Android's 2025 upgrade for advanced theming. Now, tap on Icon Colors to open the color editor. You'll get a palette of options, from basic colors to gradients and even AI-suggested themes based on your wallpaper. Select your preferred color scheme. For example, if you want a dark mode vibe, choose shades of black and gray. Android will preview the changes in real time so you can see how your icons look on your home screen. Hit Apply to save, and voila, your icons are transformed. But wait, there's more. If you want even more control, head to the Google Play Store and download a trusted icon pack app, like Icon Changer 2025. These apps integrate seamlessly and offer thousands of color options. Remember, always grant the necessary permissions and be cautious with third-party apps for security. One quick tip: if your changes don't stick, try restarting your device or checking for system updates. There you have it. Changing icon colors on Android in 2025 is straightforward and adds a personal touch to your phone. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below on your favorite customization hack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.